Minister of Samoa, Honourable Minister of Commerce, Industry and Labour, distinguished members of the official delegation, and our valued Samoan RSE workers, I am deeply honoured to welcome you to Mr Apple today. My name is Belinda Brands and I am head of the RSE program at Mr Apple. On behalf of our leadership team and all staff, I extend our sincere appreciation for your presence and offer you our warmest welcome. Your visit is a significant occasion for us here at Mr Apple. It reflects the strength and importance of the enduring partnership between us and recognises the people who are at the heart of the RSE program, our valued Samoan RSE workers.
I'm Gary Jones. I am one of the leaders at Mr Apple, and I'd also like to take this opportunity. I've met both the Prime Minister and Minister recently in Samoa, and we had some wonderful dialogue. I think reiterating the relationship that Samoa has had with Hawke's Bay and with all the employers that are here and Mr Apple. It's been 20 years, I think, coming up. Very important milestone. Peter and I were there on day one. We've been here for 20 years. And during that time, thousands and thousands of Samoan workers have come to New Zealand and benefited from the scheme, just like the companies that employ you. And I would like to just make a special mention of all the workers here, the sacrifices you have made to come to New Zealand during our winters. This is a good day, Prime Minister. It's warm, but it's not like this when many of these workers are out working on our orchards and our fields. But thank you very much. Thank you, families, for letting you come here, your parents. It's an honour for us to host you. We always love hearing the stories of how well you've done here and how it's made a difference to you and your families. It's a very, very special scheme.
Taluan fai por kalamen ni man manu ni sila. O ufaren parlamen en lua fe maleono. A matar por kalamen en lua fe fitu. Nasa tere no moi me istim la mengo malanga mata. Kapito no urong tu malo, kapag malanga no mai mustawi mauni. Tam fai tau fa fai leina. Amakala nore le ima elesta. Sta epole elesta. O ia na latu Samoa ya maka por kalamen le ima Malo Samoa. Ma te la mona le ngama fa kai o lusu tau sanga taruai. O le fato akto yo o mai neimo vai le te leo le sesema. Le mesa amatai. Man mele o sabu mai tau le meo lo tau no nofo ai. Vale ai, panta ele, maleta alo. Ia male fale leo tātou mafutai. Mona ile nganga whaakai le tua. Ono le umi o le tau sama. Tātou mawhai ai tātou malo New Zealand. Tau kātu langa por kalame le i transfenga lana le mi whafo.
O le fionga i le fionga le i pāria. Mana mi skama le aumalaga. Lea ua e Samoa ia. O le kirikiri alo rumai. O se fai ngā maranga o le mama fuafua. Le fia fei loa mai. Le fionga le di pāle mia ma tāko Malo. I loutou whera i matofi le tinu te peo ua ai aina. Ua ai Samoa ai maranga mai. Lea o a mauare o le mamo. Mai misi longi. I le ilosi kai i e koe mamo i sa mamo. O le kua ngia o le whiunga le ni pānia. E warte te ino si tātou tūku pōparami o le whiunga ni. Ua e